Hello guys, this is Utkarsh. Today we are going to discuss about subquery and correlated subquery. So let's start. So here we have these 10 queries that we have to execute in our lab. So this I already executed, so I'll show you this pool file. First one is actually find the names of customer who have ordered for a cherry or a red oak finish. So this one it's there. Yeah, here select customer name, comma order 001 dot order id, comma order quantity dot product id from customer order and order quantity product where customer 001 dot product id. Use the relations, all relations, and then at the end there is a subquery. This is called actually subquery. This is called subquery, means a query within another query. So the subquery is product material like cherry or product material like red oak. So it gets printed wherever the product material like cherry or oak, red oak, so that will be printed. Sorry. So our next page, actually it's some error. Yeah, the next is, here we can see, find the names of customer who have ordered for the product table lamp. So here is it. Select customer name from customer order quantity product where is this all relation, and then this the subquery is select product id from product 001 where product description like table lamp. So where the product description is table lamp, only those products will get printed. Only customer name of those customer names buying those products will be printed. So it's printed John Doe so many times because he's buying it that many times, like 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 9 quantity is buying, and this Henry Smith is buying it twice. So it's no, he's also buying some more times, like this 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, he's also buying it 9 times. So it's getting printed. So total 18 rows get selected. The next one is find the details of customers who have ordered for product ID 1000. So we have to use also exist. If it exists, then it will get printed. So here it goes. Select distinct customer name from customer order quantity product, means all the tables where we write all the relation between these tables, and then the subquery is select select product ID from select product ID from product 001 where product description like table lamp. Actually, oh okay, that is not the query that we say. It's different. It's the same as the previous query, only distinct is written, distinct word. So it writes John Doe and Henry Smith only once rather than writing it so many times. So the next is the query that we wanted to select, we wanted to execute is select customer name, customer ID from customer 001 where customer ID is equal to any. Select, so this any in that bracket is the subquery. Select customer ID from order where exist. If it exists, then it will get printed exist. Then there is another subquery inside this subquery. So this is called correlated subquery. So select order ID from order quantity where product ID is equal to 1000. So the next query is select customer name, comma customer ID from customer where customer ID is equal to all, and in bracket there is subquery it prints select customer ID from order where exist, and then another subquery is there. Here we are using correlated subqueries. So select order ID from order quantity where order 001 dot order ID is equal to order ID and product ID is equal to 1000. So it displays all the tables having such data. Total 8 rows were there. Next is this select s underscore name comma s underscore id from supplier 001 where order quantity greater than equal to any. Select order quantity from supplier 001 where sid like s3. So maybe something. Yeah, this query find suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier called s3. So this is the query for that. It displays all the suppliers, supplier names and supplier IDs having supplier ID s3. The next query is select we'll see what's the next query here. Find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So here we will use all. Select s name comma sid from supplier 001 where rating is equal to all, and then in the bracket we are writing the subquery select max rating from supplier 001. So all the suppliers, all the rows having max rating from supplier 1 will be printed. So the next query is this: display the products that are same as the product order by Kathy Cook. So there is a person Kathy Cook who ordered some product, so we'll display the details of the same product for other people also. So here is it: select product description comma product ID comma order ID from product customer order ID order quantity where customer, we will write this relation between those tables, and then it's written and customer name like Kathy Cook. So it will be printed here, and the product description is duplex bookshelf and its product ID is 3001 and this order ID is 105. You can see only one such row was there, so it displayed only one row. Now the next query is the seventh one: display the supplier details whose supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of order ID 103. So here it goes: select s name comma sid comma product ID from supplier 001 where order quantity greater than all, and in the subquery we are writing this: select supplier 001 order quantity from supplier 001 order quantity where where supplier dot product ID is equal to order quantity dot product ID and order ID equal to 103. So where the order ID 103, only that will be printed. Now the next query is display the order quantity of the order whose order date is greater than the order date of the order ID 106. So select it's a different query. Yeah, here we go. Set asterisk from customer name where customer ID is equal to any. Select customer ID from order quantity order 001 where order 001 dot order ID is equal to order quantity dot order ID having some price greater than 3000 group by order ID. Actually it does some other function. I don't know where is that query that we executed there. So you'll see here: select sum of price from order quantity comma order 001 where order 001 dot order ID is equal to order quantity dot order ID group by customer ID. So it will display the sum of the price of each and every uh, order. Means the sum of price means the total price. Actually it may be the quantity may be 2 3, the total price will display. Similarly this query is also like same. So this was it. Thank you.